2 years ago, I started journaling every day. What began as a simple habit turned into a transformative practice in my life. In this video, I'll share some important lessons and surprises I discovered through my 2 years of journaling. What is journaling? Journaling is the practice of writing down your thoughts, emotions, and experiences on regular basis. This can be in any form, a physical diary or a digital journal. I personally use a traditional method of journaling, that is using a physical diary. The act of journaling involves transferring what's in your mind onto paper, creating a tangible records of your thoughts at different stages of your life. And in this way, it provides an evidence to how much you have evolved and grown over time. What journaling regularly for 2 years have taught me. Number one lesson is it helps to process your emotions. The pages of a journal are where we confront ourselves and the world. Bottling up emotions can have detrimental effects, leading to emotional outbursts or physical stress. Journaling offers a constructive outlet for these feelings, allowing you to release and manage them before they accumulate and cause harm. Journaling provides a private and non-judgmental space to express your emotions, helping you to articulate and understand what you are going through. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you gain clarity, which can make it easier to process and address your emotions. This practice not only helps you to reduce stress, but it also helps you to reduce pent up emotions, bringing a sense of relief as you confront and let go negativity in a very constructive manner. A study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders 2018 demonstrated that expressive writing significantly reduced the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Participants who were engaged in expressive writing about their deepest thoughts and emotions were able to process and integrate these feelings effectively, leading to a marked improvement in their mental well-being. In this way, by making journaling a regular practice, you can enhance your emotional resilience, develop greater self-awareness, and create a healthier way to navigate and release your emotions. Number two lesson is it brings in clarity. Our mind is like a survival machine, always looking for potential dangers to keep us safe. And this can lead us to a lot of negative thoughts and beliefs. If we don't manage these thoughts, our minds will keep on finding reasons to support them, making it seem reality. This can trap us in a cycle of negativity and prevent us from creating a life that we want. By taking control of our thoughts, we can break this cycle and start building a more positive and intentional reality for ourselves. Clarity comes not from the absence of confusion, but from the act of writing through it. Journaling over time can provide patterns of your thoughts, emotions, and your behavior. Recognizing these patterns help you to understand your triggers and your responses, enabling you to make more informed decisions. Putting your thoughts on paper can reduce mental clutter. It frees up cognitive space, making it easier to focus on what's important and reducing the feeling of being overwhelmed. Also, seeing your thoughts on paper can offer a new perspective. It allows you to take a step back and view your problem from a different angle, often revealing solutions you might have missed. Number three lesson is personal growth and evolution. We all know how people those who are involved in personal growth often talk about journaling, and there is a reason for that. In the journal, you are the sole author of your story. Journals are more than just a record of your daily events. They capture the evolution of your thoughts and behaviors. My early journal entry shows the struggles of self-doubt, confusion, and uncertainty. As time goes on, I can see how my perspective have shifted. My confidence have grown and my goals have evolved. For example, a year ago, I might have written feeling stuck at a job or struggling with personal relationships. Fast forward to today, and those same journal entries reveal how I have tackled those issues, learned from my experiences, and moved forward with clearer sense of purpose. This process of reflecting back helps you to recognize your thought patterns and your behaviors. You can see where you have made progress, where you need to put in more work, and how your goals may evolve. This ongoing self-awareness has been crucial in shaping who I am today. It's a way to track not just what happens in your life, but how you change and grow as a person. Seeing that evolution in black and white is not just inspiring, but is also a powerful reminder how far you have come and how much potential there still is. Number four lesson is the hidden power to improve your communication skills. Journaling is a powerful tool that can significantly improve your communication skills. By regularly practicing writing, you can improve your ability to articulate your thoughts and emotions more clearly and effectively. One of the key benefits of journaling is the development of clarity in expression. When we write about our our experiences and feelings, we learn to organize our thoughts in a coherent manner. This practice translates into a clearer verbal communication as we become more capable of structuring our ideas. It also helps in preparing for important meetings and presentations. By outlining key points and practicing how to convey them in writing, we build confidence and clarity. This preparation ensures that we communicate our messages effectively when it matters the most. It also fosters a better written communication. Whether it is drafting emails, letters, or reports, the practice of journaling hones our ability to convey our ideas effectively. This skill is valuable in today's digital age, where written communication is the fundamental aspect of daily life. The beauty of journaling is that you get to see your growth in real time. Another benefit of journaling is the enhancement of emotional intelligence. By regularly reflecting on our emotions and experiences, we develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. This increased empathy and self awareness enable us to communicate with others compassionately and effectively in various professional and personal settings. So, those were 4 important lessons I learned through journaling. Remember, our minds are powerful tools, but they need to be managed and guided. By taking an active role in how we think and what we believe, we can harness the full potential of our minds and create a reality we truly desire. Thanks for joining me today.